Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. But I hope all of you are fine and all of you would be working on your maths subject. See, as you all know, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. As you all know that maths is all about practice. It depends on how much practice you do for the topics you are given. So the more you do, the more you practice questions, the more you'll get expertise. It will be more easier for you to solve the questions. But depends on your practice. It is directly proportional. I mean, becoming perfect in maths is directly proportional to your hard work, to your practice, right? Acha. So as you all know, we finished exercise 5.5 in the last class, and today we are moving on to exercise 5.8. 5.6 and 5.7 is not included in the syllabus as mentioned in the reduced syllabus. So we are starting for 5.8. But before starting this exercise, we should know what is this exercise about. If you see the first line, which is mentioned in the exercise, find the HCF of the following polynomials by factor method. Firstly, we should know what is HCF. What is HCF? Highest common factor. For example, you have done this in the previous classes for numbers, right? HCF of two numbers, HCF of three numbers. Like I have a given example. Find out HCF of 12 and 24. Highest common factor of 12 and 24. So what HCF means that the highest number which can divide these both numbers. Highest common number which can divide these both numbers. Like if I am taking out the factors of 12, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, and 24. These all are those numbers which divide 24 exactly. These all six numbers are numbers which all divide 12 exactly. So the common factors here 1, similarly 2, similarly 3 common, 4 is common, 6 is common, 12 is common. So these are common factors. And among these common factors is 12, which is the highest common. So 12 is your answer. Right? Now we have to take out HCF of the polynomials by factor method. So firstly, we have to take out the factor of these numbers. 5a square b cube, 60a 4c square. I would take out the factors like this: 5, 5 ones are 5, a, b, b, b. 60, so for 60, I have written 12 into 5 as a factor. A. 4 A's are present here and 2 C's are present here. So 2 C's. So common factor here is 5 and 2 A's are common, right? So 5A square is HCF. Understood? See the second question. Again, two numbers. You have to take out factors. 3 into 37 is a factor, right? 4 into 37 is a factor. So now here 37 is a common factor, and A5 both A5 are present in both, right? Similarly, B3 is present in both B6, so B3 is almost of course present in it. C square, so C square will be present in it. So A5 is common, B cube is common, C square is common. So your highest common factor is 37, A5, B cube, C square. Clear? Now, both of these two questions are clear. Now coming to the third question. Now we will be working on directly on the formulae and the methods we have studied in factorization. The first is x cube minus y cube, x4 minus y4. You know by just looking at this that this is a formula which you have studied, a cube minus b cube. So you have directly applied a cube minus b cube on this. If you notice here, you can apply a square minus b square on this. right? A square minus b square on this. So a square minus b square would divide this a x4 minus 54 into x square minus y square, x square plus y square, right? Further, x square minus y square can be divided into x minus yx plus y. X square plus y square remains same. So what is common in both? In this and in this, both is common. X minus y is common. Otherwise, no other common factor is there. So x minus y would be the HCF2, right? Is there any problem in these questions? If so, please tell me. Otherwise, we will go to the next question. Question number four. Now, question number four. See this. By looking at this question, this is easy. A cube minus b cube or x square minus b square, whatever you want to make, you can make from here. This is a little bit a different thing. Firstly, you have to make it a perfect square because you can see x4 is a perfect square of x square, y4 is a perfect square of y square. Now you have to see that here there should be a 2a square b square. If you use 2ab, so 2x should be a should be x square, y should be y, b should be y square, 2x square y square should be in the middle, but you have just x square plus y square. So you will add x square y square and subtract x square y square. See, by adding x square y square, this situation becomes this, and a minus x square y square remains in the last. Now this would be perfect square. This whole would be become perfect square of x square plus y square, the whole square, and x square y square would be a perfect square of xy. Again, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Right now, this is the last solution. Now you go into the second part, x6 minus y6. So you have made it x square a square minus b square. So x cube minus y cube, x cube plus y cube. Both of these can be put in the formula of a cube minus b cube and a cube plus b cube. This will open like this, right? So if you notice, common factors in both the expressions are these two. So you have taken these two common as common, and you have again you have simplified it. हमने इसको वापस सिंप्लीफाई कर दिया इसका प्लस कर जो हमने पहले इधर किया था उसको हमने क्लोज कर दिया राइट सो दिस इज ए माइनस बी ए प्लस बी सो ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर open this again this minus x square y square so this is the HCF. This is the clear. Your homework is question number 6, 9, 10. If anything not understood in this, better please you can ask for me right now.